Now, for the horse, the rabbit, and the pig, it's not actually so bad, but you have external na mga forces. The external could be something that is positive or negative. So, i-analyze nyo sa chart ninyo. Not all of us will be affected positively, not all of us will be affected negatively. But if you have the horse, the rabbit, and the pig, there will be external na distraction. Ano ba ibig sabihin nito? Yung mga problema, okay, ng may sign na to, dahil sa labas, hindi dahil sa iyo to. So, wag mong didibdibin yung problema. Kunyari, meron kang horse sa month. So, ang horse sa month, ibig sabihin, kung may parents ka, o, di ba? So, baka may problema si parents mo na medyo makaka-apekto sa'yo. Kung meron kang business, baka yung business mo medyo magkaroon ng pressure sa kasi distraction. Distraction is not a big problem. Distraction is may maliliit na nuances. And tandaan nyo, July is a conflict energy. So, most probably, if I analyze this, conflict yan.